Hello guys, and welcome back. So many of you guys asked me how to set up Aiomatic's chatbot so it passes the conversation to a real human, and this is really easy to be achieved, and let me show you in this video how to do this. So for this we will need to use the bot configuration, and let me set up the bot context, which is the initial prompt of the chatbot, and here you will need to tell it that, hey, if the user asks, you need to pass the conversation to a WhatsApp number, link, or something similar. So let me instruct the chatbot here. If the user requires, pass the conversation to a real human by sending a WhatsApp link to this number. And we can write here our WhatsApp number. For example, this is just made up number, or we can use any other services and instruct the AI to send a clickable link to the user by sending a WhatsApp clickable link to this number. Okay, so we can save and we can test our AI here. Hi, how can I help you? How old is the C++ language? Okay, and here is the response. I am not sure. Send, can I talk to a human about this? Sure, you can talk to a human expert about C++, chat with a human expert. And if we click on this, here it is, chat on WhatsApp with continue to chat. So this is the way to send the conversation to be continued by a human. You can replace WhatsApp by link or by Telegram or by anything you wish. Just don't forget to define here in the bot context that, hey, when you are asked or when you think that it is needed, forward this conversation to a human using this method, and describe the method. As you can see, it is okay to send only instructions by sending a WhatsApp clickable link to this number, and the bot is able to do this, chat with a human expert, and it will be able to go and continue the chat on WhatsApp. So Aiomatic is linked in this video description. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas, suggestions, questions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. This is all for today. Bye bye.